In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Google Drive API. To get started, open your web browser and head over to the Google Cloud Platform console. Once the page loads, you'll see a dashboard displaying your existing projects. If you already have a project set up, simply select it from the drop-down menu at the top of the screen. If not, go ahead and create a new one by clicking the Create Project button. You'll be guided through a quick setup process where you can name your project and configure billing, which is required to use most Google Cloud services. After selecting or creating your project, look toward the top left corner of the console and click on the three horizontal lines to expand the navigation menu. From there, find the section labeled APIs and Services, then click on Library. This area contains a wide range of APIs that you can enable for your project. At the top of the library page, you'll see a search bar. Type in Google Drive API and press Enter. From the search results, locate the correct API and click on it to open its details page. Here, you'll find more information about what the API does and how it can be used. To proceed, click the Enable button. This step activates the API for your selected project, allowing your application to interact with Google Drive. If your application requires access to user data, you'll need to set up credentials. To do this, go back to the APIs and Services section and click on Credentials. Then select Create Credentials and choose OAuth Client ID. You'll be prompted to choose an application type and configure the OAuth consent screen. Follow the instructions carefully, as this ensures your app can securely request permission from users to access their Google Drive data. Once everything is set up, download the JSON file that contains your credentials. This file will be used in your application code to authenticate and connect with the Google Drive API. And that's it, you've successfully enabled the Google Drive API and prepared your project for integration. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.